It's even worse right now. Getting good footage. No, I know, I'm watching out. No, the cats won't get out. I'll make sure they don't. You watch them too. This is part 2 of the video. Sorry, Mom's listening to something. A crime show, I guess. There are loose leaves all over our backyard, all over our front too. Okay, it slowed down a little bit. Yeah, incredibly windy night this Friday morning. Well, it's actually past midnight, so I just call it morning by this time. Yeah, I'm a bit of a night owl nowadays. Up late. You guys probably can hear how intense the wind has been too. You guys get a better idea at this part how bad the wind actually is tonight. Jeez, I don't remember it being this windy in a long time. You guys can see some of the loose leaves there. Hardly, but it's a tiny little bit. Whoo! Man. Incredibly windy night. Give me some more footage, Mother Nature. We'll do a few more wind gusts and then we'll close the video. Look at that. It's like that's almost like a leaf funnel. Also like a plastic bag flying around. You guys see it. Like a plastic bag flying around. The hell? All those loose leaves over there. Jeez. Some really good footage, I'd say. Haven't seen wind gusts like this in a super long time that I can remember. Well, actually, March 23rd of this year was pretty windy. Sorry, ignore the background. Mom's listening to something. Again, I apologize for the background noise. My mom is doing something else right now. Woo! Jeez. There's that bag. phone's just about to die in a few minutes. Just got a 10% remaining on my phone, battery-wise. So I'm going to go pretty soon.